Before time began, there was nothing. No space, no matter, no energy. A complete emptiness, the ultimate void. Imagine a realm where not even light existed. No sound, no motion, nothing at all. Physicists describe this as a place of infinite potential. There is no time to measure, no space to occupy, yet quantum physics tells us that nothing is ever truly still. Tiny fluctuations, tiny, random, almost imperceptible sparks can emerge even from nothing. These will become the first whispers of creation, the first hints of reality. For now, it is pure, smooth, and untouched. But within this emptiness lies the possibility of change, of birth, of existence itself. This is where our journey begins, from absolute nothingness to everything we know. So, as we stand at the edge of time, looking back before time existed, we see a silent, endless void.
From absolute nothingness, the first tiny sparks begin to appear. These are not particles, not light, not matter, yet. Quantum mechanics tells us that even a perfect vacuum is never truly empty. Tiny energies surge briefly, then vanish, a constant dance in the darkness. These are virtual particles, invisible to our eyes, but they shape the future. Imagine looking into a completely dark sky. Suddenly, tiny pinpricks of light appear and disappear in random patterns. These sparks interact. Some cancel each other out, some amplify. Each tiny fluctuation is a decision point, a microcosm of creation. Over unimaginable time, these tiny instabilities will grow, eventually forming the building blocks of matter.
The tiny sparks we saw earlier are not static. They move, interact, collide, and vanish. A dance of pure energy in the void. This dance is random, yet it follows the subtle rhythm of quantum laws. Each interaction is a step in the choreography of the universe. It is restless, dynamic, and full of potential. As these sparks move, they create tiny ripples in the vacuum, the first waves of cosmic motion. These ripples will later guide the formation of matter and structure. Think of it as an invisible ballet, where each dancer appears and disappears in a precise, almost imperceptible pattern. There is no light, no time, no space as we know it, yet movement exists. This is the paradox of nothingness, dynamic emptiness. Some sparks interact with greater intensity, creating brief flashes of higher energy. In the earliest moments, the universe is governed by uncertainty. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle tells us that energy, position, and momentum cannot all be precisely measured at the same time. Even in nothingness, this principle rules. Every spark, every fluctuation is unpredictable. There is no fixed state, only probability. Some sparks live longer, some vanish instantly. Some interact and produce new forms of energy, while others cancel each other out. This inherent uncertainty is not a flaw. It is the engine of creation. Without it, nothing would ever emerge from the void. Tiny variations, born from randomness, will eventually lead to stable structures, matter, and eventually stars and galaxies. Even the emptiest regions of the universe are alive with potential, a dynamic sea of possibilities.